All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar has said that the Indian Home Minister Amit Shah's upcoming visit to the occupied Kashmir is tantamount to rubbing salt on the wounds of the people of the territory. Amit Shah is arriving in Jammu on a day-long visit on Friday, June 23rd. Jammu and Kashmir National Conference headed by Farooq Abdullah has initiated a campaign to expose the 5-year misrule in the occupied Kashmir by Narendra Modi-led Indian government. According to Kashmir Media Service, the National Conference started its campaign for the upcoming urban local body polls with a convention in Lakhanpur town in Katwa district of the Jammu region. People's Democratic Party has termed the completion of 5 years of occupied Kashmir without an elected government as the 5th death anniversary of democracy and people's right. The PDP President Mehbooba Mufti had resigned from the post of the puppet chief minister on June 19, 2018 after her ally Bharatiya Janata Party withdrew support to her government. Two US lawmakers, Rashida Tlaib and Ilhan Umar, have said that they will boycott the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's address to the US Congress. According to Kashmir Media Service, Narendra Modi, who is in the US for the official visit, is scheduled to address a joint session of the US Congress tomorrow. Protest demonstrations were held in occupied Kashmir against the anti-people policies of the authorities. Kashmiri pundits staged a massive protest against the authorities and administration of the Jammu district. Hundreds of Kashmiri pundits raising slogans against the administration and Jammu Power Development Corporation Limited demanded that the order of electricity charges recently imposed on the Kashmiri pundits should be revoked. 2 persons, including a police constable, were killed and several others injured in different incidents of violence in the disturbed Indian state of Chhattisgarh.